Okay, so I'm going directly off the directions and it's calling for a test fit. And right now, here's how it looks. It's your man Reggie with Cap City Land, and I'm coming back at you with another video on Project X, my '01 Ford Excursion. Let's let it be known. Today, we're gonna do another mod to it. Nothing major, but a minor facelift. Gonna get her some veneers, aka a grill. So I'm gonna open that up for y'all soon, but as you know, in the last video I did the headlights, tail lights, license plate lights, all LEDs, and also those good old switchbacks right there that switch from amber to white. But today I gotta do the grill. Like, at first I was gonna leave it how it is, and when I got it painted I was gonna get this all painted, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how the grill looks, and I don't know. I'm gonna see how the grill looks inside this grill frame or whatever you call it, and see if that's the way that I want to go. Now, luckily it's not a permanent thing. I can always unhook it if I want to. It's just an overlay. So we're gonna see how that looks and see if that makes a difference in the front. But if not, I'm gonna just go what I originally was going to do, and that is get this whole bad boy blacked out, keep my Ford emblem, maybe get a light up Ford emblem, but we'll see how it is. All right, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a better understanding of what I'm doing here. See, as you can see, it's a powder coated stainless steel billet grill, powder coated black to be exact. And you see I got this main centerpiece with the Ford emblem opening, and also the two side pieces. From what I'm hearing on the forums and everything, they say it's a pretty easy install. They say the side pieces are gonna be a pain, but we'll see how it is. Yep, and guys, first things first, it requires to remove the whole nose or mouth, whatever you may want to call it. But anyway, all jokes aside, it calls for you to remove the whole grill frame. And as you can see, my grill looks disgusting. My grill, excuse me, my radiator looks freaking disgusting. But there goes the grill. Here, let me just jack out the way. There goes the stock grill. There goes the billet. And I'm about to get the brackets and mount that baby. And I'll get back with you and show you how that looks. Okay, so I'm going directly off the directions, and it's calling for a test fit. And right now, here's how it looks, the test fit. I don't have it mounted yet, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad off of the truck. So we're gonna have to see how it really looks on the truck. I was hoping that the billet would actually be a little bit more darker, but I don't know. Like I said, this is just, it may be a temporary thing. So we'll see how it looks on the truck. All right, guys, there you have it. There goes a look at my billet grill. The Ford emblem, you see? Got the side pieces in. Yeah, it wasn't no joke putting this in. But, I mean, it was well worth the hassle. It does look pretty good. I thought it was gonna look a lot worse than what it, you know, you always know when you buy something, especially off of Amazon or eBay or wherever, you know, you always have that feeling in your gut that it's not going to look like it did on the website. But this looks just as good as it did on the website, I have to say. I think the lights really set it off, though. Gives it more of an upgraded look and not just, you know, the stock look. I like it. All right, guys, I'm about to pack it up. It's getting dark out here, and it's getting colder than what it was. As you can see, my hands are bloodshot red. But I like how the grill turned out. Personally, turned out pretty good. Turned out better than what I thought it was, especially being something that I purchased off of Amazon. But guys, stay tuned. I'm about to turn this build up. I haven't been lacking or anything like that. I've been real busy with work and everything like that, but I'm about to turn this build up. I got some more good mods coming up, and I also have, you know, about to probably tint the windows. I'm tired of having the fishbowl look in the front, so I'm probably going to do the 15% all the way around on the windows. So stay tuned. I am looking for a new tent guy, actually, so I've got to find a new tent guy. I might get somebody that actually comes out here. There is somebody here in the city of Columbus that actually comes to you and does tent, so I'm gonna actually check out his work and everything on his website. Somebody suggested it to me, so I'm gonna check out his work and see how it goes from there. But stay tuned. I got some more mods coming up this week. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you check out the rest of my other videos, and follow me on my social medias at CapCityLand7. That's CapCityLand with the number 7 at the end. Peace.